In this video, we're going to be taking you through backlinks. Please note that Google guidelines state that good quality content needs to naturally earn backlinks. Backlinks otherwise shouldn't be randomly built outside of creating good content. What we're going to do in this video is to help you understand what backlinks are so that you can analyze them and actually help you to find out how you can rank higher on Google as a result of backlinks. Hi there, it's Gerald here from Similarweb, the official measure of the digital world. Backlinks involve many metrics, including domain authority, referral research, and there are loads of specific tools out there that can help you. In this section, we'll be looking at what are backlinks, what are the type of different links, and some top tips you can think about when you're looking at backlinks. So what are links? Let's take a step back before we look at backlinks specifically. Broadly speaking, there are three types of links. The first is internal. These are links that link different pages on the same website together. So for example, if a blog post covers a specific topic like picking the right running shoes, and if that blog post links to an actual pair of running shoes, a product page on the website, that would be called an internal link. Internal links can be used and should be used to connect related pieces of content together. And as we saw in previous videos, it's making sure we're connecting and interlinking content hubs. The second type of link is outgoing. These are links that actually point out from your website to another website externally from the content that you have. So for example, if we have a blog post and it links to a quality leather manufacturer based on how to pick the best pair of shoes, that may be actually a very relevant link to create, because in this case it's thinking about the searcher and the searcher intent and what would be good for them. Outgoing links are like endorsements. One website is in essence endorsing another. It's a vote. Third and finally, you've got incoming. Incoming is what's actually often referred to as backlinks. These are links that point externally from many websites into yours, and they income into your website. So for example, if a blogger links to your homepage or a product page, this would be considered an incoming or a backlink. And in essence, it's voting or recommending your website because it's linking to you in the first instance. Backlink top tips. Make sure that you as a brand are reviewing your link structure, including your internal links. You want to make sure you've created really good link networks that connect quality content together. This also is really good for the searcher and user of your website, and is crucial when we have content hubs, because what you're encouraging the user to do is to view other pieces of content around your website. This also passes authority throughout your website. Second, brands also need to monitor and create unique content that earns naturally inbound incoming links to your website. So research is fundamental. Have a look at your competitors. Which contents gain them backlinks? How can you do a better job than them? Do you want to do more research? Do you want to visually make the content completely different and add a lot of additional detail? Remember, when we look and think about Google Hummingbird and BERT, we want to make sure that we're not just writing content that is standard and exists elsewhere on the web. We want to make sure that our content is completely different and it gets searcher intent. This is just a small piece of the SEO puzzle, so keep watching the rest of the series so that you can fit it all together. Subscribe below and I'll catch you in the next video, which is all about SEO audits.